We're out on the lake. Oh yeah.
Is that Tom still there? Did he leave?
I can't tell if he's there or not. What do you think of it?
It's nice. It's nice.
It's a ripper too. Alright guys, so here's the boat at its final destination. I actually just sold it to my cousin, as you guys probably saw in the other clips. But when we were getting off the lake, they actually stopped us and said something about the registration not being on it, which I never had a chance to get to the DMV to register it. And then they said something about paying for the access, but we were only out for an hour and the cop was really chill, so we got off with just a warning, so that's good. And now I'm just trying to show him how everything works, and then it'll be all his. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed this build, and let me know what you guys want to see next.